What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be attempting to get the new headlights in. I ordered some headlights, just some smoked OEM replacements. Also got a tinted license plate cover, but it looks like it's misting out, so we're kind of racing against the rain right now. But let's see what we can get done. Yeah, gonna have to say not looking too promising right now, but we'll see. Staying hopeful here. Got some heat. So here we are. The 96 GT is back up and running. Obviously not perfect, but she can get you from point A to point B. So here is the rear end fitment with the spacers. Honestly, after driving it for a little bit with this setup, I'm honestly kind of a huge fan. So I've got nothing crazy planned today. I want to get the tinted license plate cover on, and in addition to that, put in the new smoked headlights. Car's looking pretty decent right now. I mean, it's lacking on not having tint. It also has that fender. Besides that, I ordered little things. I actually did order the shorty antenna and the pony front emblem, but stance-wise and even the shape the normal paint's in, I can't complain. One thing I do want to do, plug these holes at some point. I don't know if I'm going to do that when I repaint that fender, or do I get emblems for the time being? I'm not sure, but anyways, we'll figure it out. So let's just get doing this install. Here we go. We got the auto lamp headlights. I guess that's the company. I don't know. Oh, it's from Razor Motors, eBay, whatever. So I may or may not have opened the box already, so we're just gonna pretend like I didn't, and I'm surprised. Real double box trick. Oh, whoa, no shit, these are awesome. Wow, I haven't even seen these in person yet. This is so cool. Okay, here they are. We've got the completed headlight. It's a chrome housing, but it's a smoked lens, and this is actually the darkest I could find. American Muscle has darker, but I think their halos, I hate the way the halos look personally, and I'm kind of a big fan of like the OEM style things just smoke. Box 2. This is what they look like up close. A nice smoke to the lens for sure. And I think they're gonna look dope on the car. Let's go. Also wanted to grab that license plate cover. Just a flat smoked lens. It's from Amazon. Company, I think, is called Cruiser, or the manufacturer that sells these. Had the same one on the 2-valve, same one on the Merc. Every single one of my friends runs them. I think they're just the perfect amount of tint, and also when like headlights shine in, it's like there's nothing there, but then at daytime, it's a good amount of smoke. I'm just gonna clickbait this video like hardest install of my entire life. I would like to apologize sincerely for all these videos. There's a main road like right there, so that's most of the background noise. Ooh. Some cobwebs up in this bitch. Awesome, and we're done. It looks so good. Wow, it's all about them small details. Wow, look at that. Nice amount of tint for sure. All right, so yes, we have the license plate cover on, and now let's start on the headlights. I think the only thing that we're gonna need is an 11mm socket and a wrench, maybe like a flathead, but I don't think you need a lot of tools for this headlight install at all. That fender's all right, so we're gonna start by pulling just this 11mm off right here. So it's not 11mm, of course it's not. These aren't the ones that obviously come in the car. All right, awesome. If it's not 9, I'm gonna fucking cry. Oh my. what kind of jerry-rig setup's going on here? Bro, what the hell is that? Okay, so we're just gonna pull this retainer clip up here, get behind these plastic tabs here, and then push them forward. Oh, did I break it? Oh. Oh shit, this comes with a headlight? That's fucking wicked. Now we can take our cleat. Why the hell are you wobbling around so much, my dude? You gotta be fucking with me right now. Now we're just gonna hit her with the old big nut. It's like completely raining outside. I'm gonna try to finish this one as quick as I can and then show you guys the end result. And here we are, this is our end result. A definitely much more aggressive light. And I honestly even like the orange in there for some weird reason. All in all, really happy with these lights, and I can't wait to see them when it's dry out. Thank you guys for tuning in to today's video. The new smoked headlights with the smoked license plate cover. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.